that you guys are all having a lovely day or night wherever you are. As you might see, I am at Disneyland. I don't know if you can tell by the background or the music. I am with Diana. We are actually spending a weekend here. We are doing California adventures today and Disneyland on a Sunday. I don't know if you guys can tell. I don't know if you guys can hear my list. I have Invisalign on. Oh my god.
Oh, that one's cute.
That is cute. Oh, that one's a no.
A little bit more accent. It's like saying.
Oh, the lighting is so cute here.
Did y'all hear about the snow car that stayed over?
We are about to go in our second ride of the day. We went on the Monsters Inc. one, and now we're going on the Cars ride. Can you guys tell I'm wearing my retainers?
Thanks for joining my Jingle Jamboree. As you head out, make sure you grab all your stuff and keep on a jingling.
Because they were gonna fall off. Here's that one. Aww. So we just left the park and our current situation. We are lost. We don't know where we left the car. We have been searching for the car for a while now. Excuse my hair. I took off the mini ears. Really? What the hell? This car is on and there's nobody inside. Do you guys hear that? Siento que es una bomba. Ay, no, I'm getting scared. Anyway, so I think that we're gonna just have to go aisle by aisle because we don't know what else to do. And the reason why I'm recording this is because I want us to remember how we have to do things better next time. This is the second time that this happens to us.
Era una camioneta blanca.
Ajá, porque te acuerdas que no le quería pegar a su carro. Del mío for sure era un carro blanco. De tu lado no me fijé, la verdad.
Ahí está, ahí está.
No way. Oh, can I have a venti matcha frappuccino, please? No whipped cream.
Green tea frappuccino?
Uh-huh. Here you go.
I'm sure it's gonna sell. It's
Oh yeah, how much is it going for?
$6.49.
It's so cute.
$6.49. Yeah. There's another one that's for sale también. Right here on the same, it's a cul-de-sac on the same street at the end. $6.59.
And this was nice, is this one?
Los cuartos tampoco no están tan grandes.
No, this is the master house bathroom.
Bueno, comparado con las nuevas casas nuevas, sí están mucho mejor. Las casas nuevas que están así. Oh my gosh, apenas si cabe la cama y un nightstand.
I like the windows.
Yeah, everything's done.
I would only change the palm trees outside. Te diría que los quitaran. I don't like the look of the palm trees.
¿En serio?
Porque no ven, vive casi nada.
Casi que son.
We are about to go on our first ride. I'm hoping we get that pink one or that blue one. We got the pink one. Was that a spider? I've never tried the shakes here. Are they good? They said it's real ice cream. Thank you. Thanks. Ya me lo voy a tomar con el Invisalign on.
Oh, what the?
Pues era el Wings Empire de Euclid 4-minute drive. Let's go. Okay, dice orange. Okay. And route.
Starting route to Wings Empire. Head east on West Orange Avenue.